And that brings me to the Diamond Star. Gaano ka laki, gaano ka strong yung pressure na she is who she is to you, na mga Soriano kayo? I mean, she's one of the most brilliant actors in the country.
She is.
And also one of the best actors we have in the country. Gaano kalaking pressure yun? Bilang performers,
Yeah.
bilang artists.
Pressure. Are you feeling any pressure right now?
I don't feel any pressure right now. My family, my family. Siguro, Tito Boy, nung bata-bata ako, meron. Dati nakakaano pa na, ay, naku, ang galing-galing mo kasi pamangkin ka ni Maricel Soriano. Always siya, hanggang ngayon naman.
Hanggang ngayon.
But she is the Diamond Star, and we are honored to be, compared
Related.
to her. Yeah, related to her. And she's also one of my greatest teachers nung growing up sa industry.
True.
So,
Meaning, as in, nag-verbalize? Nagtuturo si Maria?
Yes.
Okay.
And she's really one of the most generous actors that I've worked with.
Ang galing naman.
Yeah. Hindi siya madamot na artista. Ikaw?
Pressure, oo. Kasi syempre, given yon kapag sinabing Maricel Soriano because she set the bar so high. Syempre, nung Meryl said, nung nagsisimula pa lang, nag-guide naman kami ni Ate Maria. So, nung lumaki na kami, tapos we found our niche ba ang tawag doon? Ganyan-ganyan. So, syempre, we try to, ayaw namin mapaya si ate. Kumaga, we would like her to be proud of us. So, we give our best all the time. If not our best, gusto namin siyang higitan. Ang yabang na. Kumaga.
Ganito, kayo lang yan ang pwedeng magsabi.
Oo.
Tama rin naman yun,
Oo,
Tito
diba?
Boy. I
Hindi,
agree.
syempre, di ba, kung magaling sa atin, ay, kailangan, yung, kumaga para hindi kami masyadong ma-pressure, kailangan, ay, lalagpasan ko si ate.
Right. Sino ang pinakamatapang sa inyo?
Lahat kami matapang eh.
Alpha kami
Lahat
lahat.
kami
Tito Boy.
matapang.
Hindi ba mahirap? Pag nagkakasabay-sabay? Paano yun? Nagkakamanggaan ba? Nag-aaway-away din ba?
Hindi naman,
Hindi naman
pero
po.
alam mo Tito Boy, one time, nagkaroon kami ng show, Mary the Potter. Walang script kasi yun. Sasabihin lang ni Direk Johnny, ito yung sitwasyon. Tapos bahala na kayong umadlib. Ako, si Mary, si Ate Maria magkakasama. Ang nangyari, sumasabog kami, Tito Boy. Yun, gano'n nangyari.
Pagdating sa
sumasabog
pera,
kami.
Kumusta ang dynamics?
Saan, sorry?
Pera.
Pera?
Kasi lahat din kayo mayayaman.
Hindi naman masyado.
Tingin na talaga kami, parang hindi naman.
Hindi naman.
Ito ba yung tipong pamilya na naghihirama, nagbibigayan?
Oh yeah, definitely.
Pero kay Ate Maria, si Ate Maria very generous.
Oo,
She is.
sobra.
Oo, bunso kasi, di ba? May pera ka ba? Ate, baka meron kang give. Ay, I love you.
Oo,
ganyan. Ganyan si Ate Maria. At saka, I can never, ever forget, kasi nung nagda-dialysis ang daddy ko, my dad passed away na, pero he underwent dialysis for like 11 years. And then, there was a time na na-hospital si daddy ilang beses for the stent sa angioplasty. So, each time, inaabot kami ng sobra-sobra sa hospital bill.
Right.
Si Ate Maria ang saving grace namin. Hindi ko makakalimutan yun.
Ganun naman si Tita.
Ganun ka
Yeah.
si Ate Maria.